Hi there. In this video, I will show you how to manage video slots. There will be a general video slot in the TechMan system already, with it being set up to be added to all new jobs. Let's manage our video slots and go through how to create new ones. Hover over the Jobs tab and select TechView video slots. From here, we can see any existing slots and also create new ones by clicking New Video Slot in the top right, or by clicking the plus button at the top left-hand side. Simply name your video slot. Select if you'd like it to be added to all jobs and hit Save. We can also in this screen access any video slots used in jobs. Simply click All Videos here in the top right corner to access this page. We can at this point use any filters to easily find the videos we need to, such as locked or unlocked, date created, by its status, or even by the technician. Thanks for watching. For further assistance, feel free to visit our help center to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help.